On 17th March 2026, the Constitutional Court of Uganda pronounced a section of provisions in the 2023 Computer Misuse Act null and void, a move which threw a section of members of the general public into celebrations.
Misinformation and disinformation is becoming a very, very big problem in this country.
However, the government seems not to be relating as it takes steps to amend the anomalies.
But Attorney General has told us we are going to come up with still another law, so that one people shouldn't celebrate. We are going to come up with another law.
By taking this route, government insists that the scars inflicted by misinformation are painful and therefore safeguards are not optional but mandatory.
Technology improvement, and mainly the digital ecosystem becoming more sophisticated. But we are fighting it in some few ways. One, the laws. We are going to strengthen the laws because if you look at the Computer Misuse Act, even forwarding such information was also has been a crime. So that's one way we are going to fight it. But we are also going to improve our technology. We are making a lot of improvement in technology.
Kabbyanga shaves off the talk of narrowing the communication gap, saying critics want to hide behind freedom of expression, putting it ahead of the wider intention.
You know, people think free expression of speech, misinformation and disinformation is one of them. Not at all. Freedom of speech, freedom of expression means you should express yourself in a civilized way. And you should give correct information. But every time we say, please, don't saturate, and because why should you saturate malicious information? Others think by that we don't want them to criticize government. No, you can criticize government. We have had several criticisms. And that's why we have put in place institutions like GCIC, like that the media center. You criticize us objectively, we shall come and answer you. But that doesn't mean you should abuse the president, that you should abuse the first family, that you should abuse a minister because you think that you are criticizing what? Government. Not at all.
According to Minister Godfrey Kabbyanga, this move doesn't leave Uganda to operate in isolation.
Most of the countries, some of the advanced countries have that technology. For instance, in Dubai, you can't just send any information. The United Arab Emirates. That's why you meet even these wars this war, Iran-Israel war. There is limited information that you can get because they know how to detect.
Robert Onyango, UBC News.